Hello and welcome to Artsy Second Sunday, and it's organised by Martha and Mona. Now I'm going to be working in this journal. It is a recycled journal. It's made up of old bills, and I've just on this page have got a stamped piece of paper, some painted paper, and I'm just going to play around with this page. So I've got a mixture of prompts that's going to be going on with this page, and I'm using the April showers and the rainbow. I live in a tropical climate, so most often when we have rain we always have a rainbow, so I'm hopefully going to express that on this page with the colours that I'm going to be using. Yeah, so the main aim is to have fun. Please do visit all of the other artists in the video hop and leave a comment, as we will be live in the chat. So the main aim for me is to have fun and express myself in colour using the supplies that I have, using the materials that I have access to, and it is just about playing on the page. And sometimes you have a specific thing that you're going to do and others not. So I wanted this to be fairly loose. As I say, in a tropical climate we have a lot of rain. We're going through the dry season at the moment, and we will be coming into the hurricane season, the rainy season, and in the garden our plants could really do with some additional rain. So I hope you enjoy watching me create the page, and I look forward to seeing your comments or chatting with you as we go along. If you've got any questions, please ask, yeah, enjoy.